Hello, coin lovers. Welcome to the Expensive Coins History channel. Listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you might completely change the way you look at the loose coins sitting quietly in your drawer right now. Most people pass over small change without a second thought. A coin drops into your hand. You glance at it for half a second, and then it disappears into a wallet, a jar, or worse, it gets spent without ever being noticed again. But every now and then, hidden among those ordinary pieces of metal, there exists something extraordinary, something that carries history, mystery, and in some cases, a life-changing value. Today, we're stepping into that hidden world that we're going to explore a coin that, at first glance, looks simple, modest, almost forgettable. But behind its surface lies a story that stretches across decades, a story shaped by a nation's identity, economic evolution, and the quiet obsession of collectors who have spent years trying to find one perfect piece. And here's the part that should make you pay very close attention, because by the end of this story, you may realize that this small coin, something many people have handled without care, has reached a value that most would never expect. This is the story of the Malaysian 1977 20 Sun coin. Now, let's travel back in time for a moment. The year is 1977. Malaysia is still a relatively young nation, building its economic strength and cultural identity after gaining independence just 2 decades earlier. The country is moving forward, balancing tradition with modernization. And like many nations during that period, its currency becomes more than just a tool for trade. It becomes a symbol. Coins, especially, carry a unique weight. They pass through millions of hands. They connect farmers, workers, business owners, and families. And yet, despite their importance, they are rarely given the attention they deserve. The 20 Sun coin introduced in this era was designed to be practical. It needed to be durable, easy to recognize, and efficient for daily use. But what makes this coin fascinating is not just its function. It's the quiet intention behind its design. When you look closely at the 1977 20 Sun, you begin to notice details that many overlook. The intricate floral motifs, the clean typography, and the subtle balance between tradition and modernity. These elements were not random. They were chosen to reflect Malaysia's cultural richness and its forward-looking spirit. But here's where things begin to get interesting. Because not all 1977 20 Sun coins are the same at first. That might sound surprising. After all, coins are produced in large numbers, right? Millions of identical pieces stamped out and distributed across the country. But in reality, small variations can occur. Tiny differences in minting, alignment, or material composition that separate an ordinary coin from one that collectors would consider exceptional. And in the world of coin collecting, those differences can mean everything. Imagine holding 2 coins that look almost identical. To an untrained eye, they are the same. But to a collector, one might be worth its face value, while the other could be worth thousands. This is where patience and attention come into play. Over the years, collectors began to notice certain 1977 20 Sun coins that stood out. Some had sharper details. Others showed unusual characteristics, slight misalignments, variations in strike quality, or rare preservation conditions that suggested they had survived decades without significant wear. And that's when whispers started. Whispers that this seemingly ordinary coin might not be so ordinary after all. Now, let's talk about condition, because this is where the story takes a dramatic turn. Most coins from 1977 have lived hard lives. They've been passed from hand to hand, carried in pockets, dropped, scratched, and worn down over time. That's normal. That's what coins are meant to do. But every now and then, a coin escapes that fate. Maybe it was stored away in a drawer. Maybe it was part of a collection that was never disturbed. Or maybe, just by chance, it avoided the wear and tear of daily use. When a coin like that surfaces, one that looks almost as fresh as the day it was minted, it becomes something special. Collectors call this high-grade condition, and it's one of the most important factors in determining a coin's value. Now imagine combining that level of preservation with the subtle variations we mentioned earlier. That's when things start to escalate, because suddenly, you're no longer looking at just a coin. You're looking at a rarity, a piece that stands out not only for its history, but for its survival. And this is where the emotional side of collecting comes in. For many collectors, it's not just about money. It's about the thrill of the hunt, the excitement of discovering something rare, The satisfaction of holding a piece of history that few others have. That there's a moment, every collector knows it, when you realize that what you're holding is not ordinary. That it has a story, a significance, a value that goes beyond its face. And the 1977 20 Sun has created that moment for more than a few people. Over time, as more collectors began searching for these coins, the supply of high-quality examples became increasingly limited. Fewer coins meant higher demand. And higher demand, well, that's when prices begin to climb. But here's the part that makes this story even more compelling. Not everyone knows what to look for. There are still people out there who might have one of these coins without realizing its potential. It could be sitting in a collection, tucked away in a box, or even mixed in with everyday change. And that's what makes this so fascinating. Because the difference between an overlooked coin and a valuable one often comes down to knowledge. Now, let's build a little more suspense here, because we haven't even touched on the most important question yet. What is it actually worth? Before we get to that, think about everything we've discussed. A coin from 1977, a nation in transition, a design that reflects cultural identity, subtle variations that only trained eyes can detect, and the rare chance that some of these coins have survived in exceptional condition. All of these elements come together to create something unique, something that collectors are willing to compete for. And when competition enters the picture, values can rise in ways that surprise even experienced collectors. There have been moments, quiet, almost unbelievable moments, when a coin like this has appeared in the market and caught the attention of serious buyers. The kind of buyers who understand rarity, who recognize quality, who are willing to pay for something that others might overlook. And when that happens, the results can be astonishing, because the value of a coin is not just determined by its metal or its age. It's determined by what someone is willing to pay for it. And in the case of the 1977 Malaysian 20 Sun, that number has reached a level that most people would never expect at SO now. After everything we've uncovered, after following the journey of this coin from its creation to its place in the collector world, it's time to reveal the number that changes everything. A rare, high-grade example of the 1977 20 Sun coin has been known to reach a value of up to $63,000. Yes, $63,000 for a coin that many people once treated as loose change. Let that sink in for a moment, and then ask yourself, how many coins have passed through your hands over the years without a second look? Because this is only the beginning. If you thought the first story was surprising, this next one might feel even more unexpected, because sometimes history doesn't just repeat itself. It evolves in ways that only a careful observer can truly appreciate. Let's move forward just a few years from where we left off. It is now 1981. Malaysia is continuing its journey of growth and transformation. Industries are expanding, cities are becoming more dynamic, and the rhythm of everyday life is changing. Yet, even as the country moves ahead, its coins remain a constant presence, quiet witnesses to every transaction, every exchange, every moment of daily life. And among those coins, the 20 Sun continues its role. At first glance, the 1981 20 Sun doesn't demand attention. It looks familiar, almost predictable, especially to those who have handled Malaysian currency before. But as with the 1977 issue, what appears simple on the surface often hides something far more intriguing beneath. Because this coin is not just a continuation. It is a subtle shift. And sometimes, subtle shifts create the most fascinating stories. Now, imagine holding the 1981 20 Sun in your hand. Feel its weight. Notice its texture. Look closely at its design. There is a sense of precision here, a refinement that reflects the evolution of minting practices during that period. But more importantly, there is something else, something that collectors would later become deeply interested in. Consistency, or rather, the lack of it. You see, by the early 1980s, coin production was becoming more standardized. Processes were improving, technology was advancing, and the expectation was that coins would become more uniform. But reality doesn't always follow expectations. Even in more advanced minting environments, small inconsistencies can still occur. And when they do, they create opportunities. Opportunities for certain coins to stand out in ways that were never intended. Collectors began noticing that not all 1981 20 Sun coins were created equal. Some exhibited differences so subtle that they could only be identified under careful examination. Slight variations in strike quality, Minor inconsistencies in alignment. Differences in surface finish that hinted at unique production circumstances to at first. These details were easy to dismiss. After all, who would think that such small differences could matter? But in the world of coin collecting, they matter more than almost anything else, because those tiny details are what separate the common from the rare, and rarity is where the real story begins. Now, let's take a step into the mindset of a collector. Picture someone sitting at a table, carefully examining coins. One by one, hours pass, days pass. Most coins are set aside, ordinary, expected, unremarkable. But then, suddenly, something catches their eye. A coin that looks just a little different. It might be the sharpness of the design, the way the light reflects off its surface, the absence of wear in places where wear is usually unavoidable. That moment, that instant of recognition, is what every collector lives for. And the 1981 20 Sun has provided that moment more than once. Over the years, stories have surfaced of individuals who stumbled upon these coins in the most unexpected ways. Some found them in old collections passed down through families. Others discovered them while sorting through jars of coins that had been forgotten for years. And in each case, the realization was the same. What seemed ordinary was not. But here's where the story becomes even more compelling. Unlike the 1977 coin, which gained attention partly due to its age and historical position, the 1981 coin had to prove itself in a different way. It had to earn its reputation. And it did. Collectors began to recognize that certain examples of the 1981 20 Sun possessed qualities that were exceptionally difficult to find. Coins that had remained untouched by time. Coins that displayed near-perfect strikes. Coins that, against all odds, had survived decades in remarkable condition. And as more collectors entered the search, something inevitable happened. The competition increased. Now, think about what happens when multiple people are looking for the same rare item. The available supply doesn't change, but the demand grows. And when demand grows, values begin to rise. But the rise is not always obvious at first. It starts quietly. A sale here. A higher offer there. A conversation among collectors about a particularly impressive example. Then, gradually, the pattern becomes clear. This coin, this seemingly ordinary 20 Sun from 1981, is becoming something more, something desirable, something valuable. Now, let's pause for a moment and consider the bigger picture. Why do coins like this gain value? It's not just about rarity. It's not just about condition. It's about connection. Each coin carries a piece of history, a moment in time, a reflection of the world as it was when that coin was created. For some collectors, owning such a coin is like holding a fragment of that moment, something tangible, something real. And when you combine that emotional connection with genuine rarity, the result can be powerful. The 1981 20 Sun is a perfect example of this. It represents a period of change, a continuation of a nation's story. And at the same time, it offers collectors the thrill of discovery, the chance to find something rare in a place where few people are looking. Now, let's return to the suspense, because once again, we arrive at the question that everyone is waiting for. What is it actually worth? By now, you can probably sense where this is going. That we have a coin that appears ordinary, but isn't. A coin with subtle variations, rare high-grade examples, and a growing interest among collectors. We have limited supply, that we have increasing demand. And we have the kind of quiet reputation that often leads to surprising outcomes. There have been instances, moments that collectors talk about with a mixture of excitement and disbelief, where a 1981 20 Sun coin has surfaced in exceptional condition and attracted serious attention, the kind of attention that turns a simple listing into a competitive pursuit. And when that happens, the final number can go far beyond expectations. So now, after building the story piece by piece, it's time to reveal it. A rare, high-grade example of the 1981 Malaysian 20 Sun coin has reached a value of up to $51,000, $51,000, for a coin that many people have held without ever thinking twice. Take a moment to think about that. Two coins, two different years, two separate stories. And yet, both share the same powerful lesson. Value is not always visible at first glance. Sometimes, it hides in plain sight, waiting for someone to notice. The next time you come across an old coin, something small, something easy to ignore, pause for just a second longer. Look closer. because you never really know what you might be holding.